Hey guys, Larissa at Prodigal Pieces here. I'm here in my bedroom where I have lots of neutrals and whites that I love, that calming feeling. I tend to lean towards the farmhouse style with a touch of Nordic, shabby chic, French twist, my own style. And the best part about this is having that blank slate, that ability to change it no matter what season to whatever color accents I like. And today I want to take and show you this little vintage accent table I found and fill this corner right here to add a pop of color for the coming spring summer seasons. It's fun to create your own home story, and on a budget. So I will show you what I'm going to do. accent table is done. Perfect little pop of color in here to keep me in my neutrals, but allow me to have some fun, change it up. I've used the same bunch of flowers in a couple of my recent posts, and I tell you, they go around, they stay strong, and I got them for cheap at the grocery store. So even stuff like that can be budget friendly just to spruce up your home, bring a little color, bring a little fun. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you're inspired. The layering of the paint and the waxes, and just fun to create that chippy look to go with my antique cupboard here. I hope you learned something new, and I invite you to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube, and also if you're on my blog, subscribe to my blog where everything comes to you free in your inbox. You will get a furniture buying guide and discount to my shop where this little table will be available. I normally have something else set up here. Many things to offer for you. I'd love to hear your feedback down below. Would you have done this fun color? Would you have done something else? Tell me what you think. I'd love to hear it. I have many more things coming up, so subscribe, stay tuned, leave me a comment, and I will see you next time. Larissa at Prodigal Pieces. Bye.